So today we are going to do a barbecued chicken and caramelized onion quesadilla. This is something that I used to make my son when we would, like before I even really started cooking, I'd just do grilling. I would do barbecue chicken, but he wasn't really down for that. So I just dice it up and make him a quesadilla out of it. This also could be what you could do with the leftover chicken that you have after you make the curry chicken wrap. First thing we're gonna do is cut some onions. And look here, I even remembered a garbage bowl. Ha! What do you think of them apples, huh? All right, onions are done. This has been heating up for literally, I don't know, 10 minutes or something. But I turned the heat down, so hopefully they don't burn. All right, get these going. A little salt, pepper. All right, want some jalapeno on mine. I don't think the boy does on his. So let's cut these into rounds. I'm debating on whether to cook these, because if you cook them, it'll take the some of the heat out of them. But I kind of like the freshness and the pop, and I kind of like the heat. So I'm thinking maybe I'm just going to leave them as they are. Let me go grab the chicken, because I left it in the fridge. Chicken's out. We're just going to salt and pepper it real quick. Kind of liberal with the salt. We're not going to do as much salt on the other side. A little pepper. All right, the side that we just seasoned in the presentation. Well, we don't even need the damn presentation side. If you were going to present, you put your presentation side down first. But we're just going to be chopping this up anyways. And so we put that down there. Now I got to wash my hands real quick. You know what I haven't done is season this side. Just a little bit. I'm just going to go light on this side. Just light salt, light pepper, because I put quite a bit on that other side. Okay. Ah, shite. All right, see how there's not that good of grill marks? I just didn't have it hot enough. Ow. It's plenty hot now, though. I turned it up. Jesus, ow. Ow. These are going, I want these really caramelized, though. Man, we need to get that hotter. I just don't know how to get this any hotter. Oh, you know what else I forgot? A damn, what do you call it? Thermometer. My little my thermopen, but it's not a thermopen. What is it? Thermopop. Ow. I would suggest using a brush. But I only got one brush where I'm living now, and I'm going to use that for the, for the oil on the tortillas. We got to get these going a little bit faster. Don't really know how. Maybe what you don't do is grab that because it's hot. Oh, also, if you notice, I didn't put the barbecue sauce on first and then put it down because it'll burn. So what we want to do is have this basically done, and then we'll give it another flip, and then that'll caramelize the. We're looking for 160 to 165. We're at right around 150. So I know that one's not going to be done because. Ow, shite. Was it like 116? Okay, all right. That's way almost overdone. So I'm gonna get that out of the way. And this is right where we need it to be. Actually, that's kind of overdone too. We waited too long. Get this side a little caramelized. And we'll get some more on the other side, some more barbecue sauce. Like I said, this is just something quick to throw together. This isn't like a big gourmet thing. This is something to feed to the kids, feed the family, whatever, on a Tuesday night. You just want to get something done and just have it different than just some chicken. Okay, so if all of a sudden nothing's cooking and you're trying to figure out why, it could be because you don't have any propane. So thank God I had an extra bottle, put it in, and now it's kicking up. It's kicking up good. That's done. These are done. I'm going to set these over here. All right, we'll let that chicken rest. We'll build ourselves a quesadilla. We'll be back. All right, lighting's bad. Nothing we can do. So now just take your chicken, just cut it into chunks. Just chunk it. Perfect, 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 perfect. These things are scorching. Those are done. All right, these big ones I'm gonna use later for my girlfriend. She said she wanted a big one. Ha! Yeah, she did. Ho-ho! That's a joke. So, what you wanna do is oil, get some oil on this side. It's just canola oil, a little brush. Okay, get it all over. Can you see that? You want the oil everywhere, okay? Throw it down here. Now I'm just gonna do a half of one. So I'm just gonna get a little bit of chicken. Like I said, I'm not that hungry, so I'm not gonna put a whole bunch. And the cheese that I use, I like to use what they call Mexican style blend, and I like to use the fine shred. It's like a fine shred. You can get some that's like a thick shred, but they got what? It's a Monterey Jack, cheddar, asadero, and quesadilla cheese, whatever. But that's what I like. It's a really flavorful, and it melts super, super good. Like I said, if I was starving, I'd pack some more chicken on that. All right, boom, there we go. That's enough cheese. Get some jalapenos on there, because I'm all about that. You want me to just make it without a little bit so you can taste it, buddy? Huh? I'll do that. Okay, one side has jalapenos, the other side doesn't, so he can taste it. I'm gonna take a little bit of this onion. Oh, that looks good, huh? That looks really good to me. All right, so now what we do is fold this bad boy over, and it's all full of, we're gonna press it down a little bit. It's all full of oil, so it's not gonna stick to the grill. Okay, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. All right, let's lift this up. All right, let's get this going. All right, put her on the grill, press her down. All right, let that sit for maybe a minute, couple minutes, I don't know. It's been what, a minute, 90 seconds? I think it can be flipped. Probably could have used a little bit more time. Could I have put some avocado in there? Yep. So I kind of put some raw onion. I could have put some cilantro in it. I could have put some sauce, like a hot sauce in it. I could have put, you can put anything you want in a damn thing. But if you're gonna give it to the kids, just do chicken and cheese. Then give them a little thing of sour cream. They'll love it. That's what my son did. He loved it. All right, let's look. Let's flip her again. Oh. I think we give it maybe 20 seconds on each side again. And we're good to go, man. All right, it's been like another 20 seconds on that side. I'll leave this going because I got to make a really big one in a second. Please don't drop it. Yeah. All right, we'll go 3 ways. All right. I'm just gonna eat it like this, but it's so hot, I'm scared. That cheese is gonna burn me. I know it is, huh?
Yeah, we can wait.
All right, let's try it. That was super good. That was really good. Now I know why you like these things when I made them for you. That's super, super good. Cheese is right there. I like the jalapeno. If you like a little kick, add the jalapeno because it adds a little crunch to it, adds a little spice to it. The barbecue sauce is there, but it's not like overpowering. And it's just a really good bite, man. And I really like I think the onions really help with the spiciness of the jalapeno too, because they're super, super sweet. I wasn't even hungry. I'm gonna eat that thing. That was so good. A little drink. All right, So seriously, total film time, 35 minutes. You can make this, you can make a million of these for your family. Grab a few chicken breasts, barbecue sauce, cut them up, throw them in some, do some quesadillas, chop them, lay them out, everybody will be happy. It's a great little snack, great little, or you can do hors d'oeuvres with them, do a dinner with them, whatever. Oh, you know what I forgot to say? Is that we have 57 subscribers as of today. We need to get 100 soon. So subscribe, tell your friends to subscribe, hit the ding-ling, ding-ding-ding button, and keep watching, because you're gonna learn easy food that's really good to make and have fun doing it. Cook this, cook this.